Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log in Binomo account. To log into Binomo account, you can either go to the official website that is binomo.com or download the application from your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. Here, I have already installed Binomo application, so tap open the application. To log in, tap on login button. You can use your Google account or your Facebook account to log in. Here, I'll be using my email address and password. After entering your email, enter your correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on I forgot my password, then reset your password first by following the given instructions. After this, tap on Login. And here you go. You have successfully been logged in to Binomo account. Once you log in, you gain access to your trading dashboard where you can choose between demo account with virtual funds or real account if you have made a deposit. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.